How to download and install Clash of Clans in PC. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to download and install Clash of Clans in PC. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So right now let's head over to our browser, and from in there you can search for LD Player. So let's just search for that, and in here you can see this first link right here. So as you can see, LD Player is a lightweight and fast Android emulator for PC. So just click on this link right here. This will direct you to this link. Now what you need to do is just click on this download LD Player 9 because this is the more updated version. So just click on that, and from in there you can see that this link is loading. So just wait for this to load, and then you can retry, or as you can see right here, it has already been downloaded. Now the next thing you need to do is just click on this and then install LD Player. I've already installed mine, as you can see right here. Then the next thing you need to do is just open it. Now once you have opened it, it will show you this interface right here. And in here you can see all the games that you can download if you have been permitted to do so. So from in here you can search the games. So just search for the games and it will open a Play Store, which is the same thing as a Google Play, wherein you just need to sign in your account in order to download games. So just click on and search for Clash of Clans and then install it. After that, you can now play it on your computer. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to download and install Clash of Clans in PC. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!